In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to onboard employees with Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, centralized onboarding hub that new hires can use from day one. First, sign into your Confluence account and create a dedicated space just for onboarding. In the top navigation, go to Spaces, choose Create Space, and select Team Space. Give it a clear, welcoming name like Employee Onboarding, and add a short description such as all resources and guides for new employees. This helps people instantly recognize what the space is for and builds a consistent home for everything they need. Next, create your welcome page inside that space. Click Create and choose a blank page, then title it Welcome to the Company. Write a friendly introduction that sets the tone for your culture, followed by your company mission and core values. Add links to key policies or starter guides so newcomers can jump right into the essentials without hunting around. Now build out the backbone of your onboarding by creating separate pages for the core sections. Start with company policies, where you can link to HR and compliance documents. Add a team structure page with an org chart or a simple list of departments and their functions. Create a Tools and Accounts page explaining how to access email, Slack, Confluence, and any other tools, plus who to contact if access is delayed. Add training materials for guides, tutorials, or videos, and an FAQs page to answer common questions in plain language. For a consistent look, use Confluence page templates by clicking Create and then Choose Template, such as blank or documentation. Quick note, you'll find the link to Confluence at the very top of the description. If you prefer using the desktop or mobile app, the download link is there as well. With your sections ready, return to the welcome page and link everything for easy navigation. Add clear links to each section and organize them with simple bullet points or a small table so new hires can scan and click straight to what they need. Before sharing, set the right access. Go to Space Settings, open Permissions, and add your new employees with View Access, or Edit Access if they'll be contributing. Then send a welcome message that includes the link to your onboarding space so they can get started immediately. Finally, plan for maintenance. Assign someone in HR or a manager to keep content current, and update the space whenever policies change or new training materials are available. A living, accurate space builds trust and keeps everyone aligned. Thanks for watching.